Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Recraft AI. It's an amazing tool that helps you generate images and edit vector-style illustrations with the power of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is Recraft AI? To get started, go to recraft.ai. First, we will go to the Chrome browser and type Recraft AI. The first website that comes up is the official website of Recraft.ai. First, you have to sign up. I had to sign up, so this interface came up first. Let me show you how it works. First, click on Create New Project. After such an interface appears, click on the image text box. Now we have brought to our dashboard. First, I will show you the dashboard introduction. First of all, Recraft AI will give you 50 credits, and you will receive these credits every 24 hours. Then come to this box and write your prompt. This is the image ratio. Click here to style the image. Click the All Models button to see all the models available for creating images. Then click the raster and vector button and choose the image style you prefer. Also, if you scroll down, you will see many styles for creating images. Choose any style of your choice and apply it to create a great image. By applying these, you can create a raster image or vector image. Let's see and create some images. First, create a raster image. First, we will write an image prompt. Now press Generate. Wow, what a lovely image! Now we will create the vector image. Now we will use the same prompt we used for the raster image for the vector image. Again, we will give the image prompt and then hit the Generate button. Wow, what a beautiful vector image! Thanks for watching.